Marie Laurencin was born 31st of October 1883, died 8th of June 1956, was a French painter and printmaker. She became an important figure in the Parisian avant-garde as a member of the Cubists associated with the section d'or. Laurencin's works include paintings, watercolors, drawings, and prints. She is known as one of the few female Cubist painters, with Sonia Delaunay, Marie Vorobieff, and Franciska Clausen, while her work shows the influence of Cubist painters Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque, who was her close friend. She developed a unique approach to abstraction which often centered on the representation of groups of women and animals. Her work lies outside the bounds of Cubist norms in her pursuit of a specifically feminine aesthetic by her use of pastel colors and curvilinear forms. The muted colors and the geometric patterns inherited from Cubism were replaced by light tones and undulating compositions.